waliwo Nkebuka enkoledde video etandisewe chinechiwala ku video taddeko chinechiwala chantama then egamba nogamba chinechiwala chefuke chefule chamanyi chefula woba mutegedde mugambe na message ye aina kafananyi kataddekera ogenda mu comment section. She's very bitter. She's like, oh Luwi laitalinga B, oh Luwi laitalinga chi, she's like that. Like, honey, I'm who I think I is. Period. Also, ogoze no kwata akafananyi koyita afanananga pupu nga kasinga kako kasinga video yo gwali mu filter. Such a shame. So I saw Kafta's, she called it a vacation, but I think it is like a honeymoon or something. Very demure, very mindful. Yes, don't talk too much. Be classy. Okay, honey? And Luwi Laitia wishes you well and the very best in your marriage. Gendo fumbe toke. Kafta tonswaza. Hey, okay? Yeah. Hey, other than that, I truly pray. May Allah make it easy for you. Katinganzize kwene Nkebuka eno namwando eine enzalo bbiri simfumbi tebagifumbirwa simpase. She's not married, and I've seen her for a while actually. She's not married. I think 2 kids. Oh yeah. Simo wase, you speak so desperate. You sound so desperate. And unfortunately enough, I'm not as desperate as you are. Anyways, honey, I do not have a lot for you, but heal. Because okubocha choka olichesiru. Instead of uno bufana nyibuli eryoba buliwa bwobosonsekayo. Now against no jaka fana ni honey. Kotade ku video. Oh my god, Luwi light was turning. Very demure, very mindful. Chinechwana, chefula, sefula. I am who I think I is. Period. Okwe matida, you needn't have to be rich. Okwe matida, you needn't have to be wearing designer clothes and all that stuff. You need to just have a little bit of ego. You need to know who you are. You need to know what you put on table, honey. Whatever I put on here, I'm who I think I is, honey. Cool the fuck down. Ain't nobody care about what you say or what you think. So you thought you're going to trend. So now I'm making you trend. Okay? I'm making you trend. Oh, chinichwama. Chiluwi light. Nyawa no chitachi. Techigenda kubija. She's not going to become ugly. No. I'm already beautiful. So, newonogaba chibi, simanya chibi malaya, simanya what, honey? Baby, I ain't that type. I ain't. And just because you say it, doesn't mean it's going to happen, or I'm going to become one. So, hello. Cool the fuck down. Also, meet me on the live. Fune ebisigari debyo yinofuna. Nchitegera. Bitch. Ojagede? Olide? Bino mwobo buyumba bw'ekinako. Nze president wa abanaku ne mmala ne mbayisamu eggaali. Bye.